my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow.
This is it! So, ayan mga seswang, ilang oras na lang. Ayan ang aming wedding. My goodness. So, ayan, kaya kumain na tayo. God, I'm so excited. Para akong na-earn sa excited. This is the big day. Thank you so much. And sa mga congratulatory message and comments. And sa aming mga personal account. And thank you so much. Time check, it's already 8:52 AM and ayan, katatapos ko lang maligo. And ngayon is nagbe-breakfast lang tayo. So ang aking breakfast ay burger and kape.
I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one.
By the time we start doing the braid, it's going to end up. Okay, and then some pieces out at the front just to frame your face.
Yeah, because she has a round face and a spanner.
Shop out. It's like a shop out.
And then makeup. Do you have makeup photos?
We can spend all day in bed.
So ayan mga seswang, umpisa na tayong make-upan and syempre ayusin ang ating hair. Oh, diba? Gusto mo yun? Oh my God, ito na talaga. Talagang excited na. So, sana itong makeup na ito isumabot hanggang gabi. Wala nang retouch. Diba? Kasi isang make-upan lang. Pero feel ko naman na diba? Matagal to. Finally, tapos na ang ating hair and makeup. So, ayan, this is the final look. Ay, charing, may nanggugulo po dito. Ayan, medyo...
Anong nanggugulo? Ikaw yung tumawag.
Pag may naamoy po kayo, alam nyo na yan. Charing. Ano na sabi mo na?
Tinawagan mo ko para ipatanggal yung ligaw mo. At ako'y malapit ng Las Vegas dito sa kaingin.
This is it. Pansit. Kantan. Okay. Salamin sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin sa
she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head?
Ma'am, sir, room 7029.
When you saw her in that dress, when your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her.
This is it.
I think you should stay with me.
So, ayan, mga seswang. And we're finally
First time namin mag-limo, guys.
Limo. And, ayan, guys, get what? Tignan nyo. Oh, para kaming nasa jeep.
Jeep na ano.
Kanina isa na lang inantay eh. Alis na. Ito, umalis na talaga. O, diba? Bisikan po kami dito. And medyo damang-dama ang weather ng
Mainit, guys.
Vegas. Gusto mo yun, genetica mo rin parang over na lang pala tayo. Chili.
At least, diba, first time natin sumakay ng limo.
Talagang first time. And ayan, this is the first time din sa Vegas. Another first time experience. And ayan, we're here. And
In a
ilang
few
oras
minutes.
na lang. Minutes na lang.
In a few minutes, we're getting married.
I don't know where she came from. It kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
Family and friends, please stand.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you
everybody, let's just take a moment and bow our heads as this beautiful couple come together today, continuing your love story. May both of you and all your family and friends have a happy, healthy, safe, abundant life together. Amen. Everybody, please be seated. So just stand a little closer together, side by side, and just keep your bouquet right there. I'll take it from you a little bit. How you can hold it right here. We're focusing. You can hold it right here. Yeah, you can. How do you feel?
Crying right now.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Isn't it a great moment? Listen, you got a lot of family and friends here. They're excited. They're taking pictures. They're videoing. It's a great day because here you are standing next to your best friend, the love of your life. And the best place in the world is when you're side by side. You know, it doesn't get much better than that. When the two of you met, you didn't know you're going to fall in love. But there were qualities that drew you to each other. And those qualities were instilled in you because of people who have touched your lives. And we have to thank them for that. But also when you met, the two of you became friends. And your friendship was and is the foundation of your relationship. So it's very important throughout your married life, the two of you remain BFF. So today, Kevin, Jessie officially becomes your bestie. So that means you need to bring her breakfast in bed 5 or 7 days a week. How many days? 7? That's a good answer. But actually, a best friend pushes you out of your comfort zone. So you become the best version of who you're meant to be. A best friend is standing at the finish line cheering you on as you're accomplishing another goal. You two need to remember to be each other's biggest cheerleader and have each other's back. And in a few minutes, you're going to officially be a couple. Isn't that awesome, everyone? Yes! But you know, it's important to remember you're both individuals, and that's what attracted you to each other, the uniqueness about each one of you. You're not going to do everything together throughout your married life. There are times you are going to do things separately. But that's okay, because when you come back and share that experience, your friendship grows, your love deepens. But most importantly, the trust that you have for each other strengthens. Trust is a very important component for a happy, healthy relationship. And the last one, before I have you exchange vows, I always like to touch on the most important, patience. So who's more patient in this relationship? Who's more patient? Is it Kevin?
You can ask them.
Yeah.
They know.
Actually, this is for both of you. There's going to be times throughout your married life your patience will be tested. As you're moving through it, make sure you formulate your thoughts and talk to each other. The two of you work it out together. Nothing is insurmountable as long as you're doing it jointly and you respect each other's feelings. But most importantly, no matter how difficult of a day the two of you have had, always remember, kiss each other goodnight. It's the best advice I can give you. So I'm going to take your flowers. I'm going to have you face each other and hold each other's hands. So which phone do you want? The dark one or the one with the color? And which one is your vows?
I have my código here.
Oh. Okay, I have these. Okay, I didn't know.
No, this one.
Okay, go right ahead.
Código tayo, guys, ha?
Wala ako yan.
You're up, Kevin.
Mu. My only one, my one and only. Alam niyo yan, guys, diba? Yung meaning. Kahit ano po man yan, only that I know is ikaw yung pumana kay Mr. Cupido. Ako yun. It all started with the Facebook post na single pa rin sa 2019. I don't know why did I post this randomly, pero pinost ko siya for fun. Until may napaibig agad. Ay, kapal ang mukha. Pero literally, hindi siya yung typical na person na easy to get. Grabe, ang tagal ko rin niligawan to, ha. Almost 3 months na pagliligaw sa kanya. We were LDR. Ang tagal. Grabe yung ano ko, yung anxiety ko pag hindi siya nagre-reply. Kasi sobrang layo ng milya na layo namin. So, LDR feels din. Pero, we still managed to get it. Nag-pass through kami through LDR, and then I gave up my job for her para makauwi sa Pilipinas in order to meet her personally. Mu, I promise to be your best friend at all times. I'll be on your side always, through ups and downs. Kahit palayasin mo ako ng bahay, doon lang ako sa labas maghihintay. Hindi magsasawang i-doorbell ang ating bahay, sariling bahay. Mu, I love you so much, and you bring so much colorful into my life. Binago mo ako, binago mo yung pananaw ko sa buhay. And salamat sa lahat. I can be your enemy? Enemy ba? Tama ba yan? Frenemy pala. Your best friend. And finally, I can say your husband.
Beautiful.
I love you so much, Mo, and this is now the start ng panibagong buhay niyo.
Thank you. Thank you. So do you need any of those, or are you going to say it from... Do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
Go right ahead. It's your turn. If you want
The pressure is on.
The pressure's on. Exactly. Go ahead. That's okay. Say whatever language works for you.
English. Tagalog ako.
Inhale, exhale ka muna. Huwag mo lang ibubugan.
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako. Ayan, sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo, hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa family ko, sa friends ko, sa lahat ng mga taong kapalibot sa akin. Talagang ramdam na ramdam ko yung genuinely na pagmamahal mo sa akin. Talagang naipapadama mo sa family ko, sa mga friends ko. Talagang kung gaano yung kalab mo sa akin, talagang na-share mo din sa kanila. And syempre, thank you so much. Dahil ikaw, yung binigay ni God sa akin. Sobra akong thankful and grateful sa Kanya. And sa lahat ng mga pagsubok, struggles in life, is talagang masasabi kong napagtagumpayan ko, kasama ka. Sobrang thankful, and maipapromise ko lang sa'yo na ako lang ang bebe mo. Andito lang ako. Ako lang ang Momo, my only one, my one and only. Kahit ano man sabihin nila, I'm here to love you. I'm here anywhere what you do, what you want. Do it the dessert. Thank you, and I love you so much.
I'm gonna add something.
Go ahead, real.
I'll promise na lagi kong ipapaalala na inumin mo lagi ang potassium citrate mo. At pakainin ka ng banana because she needs banana.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I like your banana.
Later.
That's a
Honey, it's too early.
It's high in potassium.
I have to have you say, that's so funny. All right, now face each other, hold each other's hands. I'm going to have you both say your I do's. Oh, that's a first. Kevin, do you take Jessie to be your wife?
Wait lang. I do.
Jesse, you take Kevin to be your husband?
I do.
Okay. Remy, I need those rings. Can you come up here and give them to me? That's to me. Oh, okay. So I know you're trying not to step on the beautiful dress. Let's see. Good job. Thank you. So hold each other's hands. Turn your heads, look at me. Keep your bodies facing each other. Turn your heads, look at me, and follow the rings. Okay? When I see wedding bands on other individuals, I know that person's made a pledge to somebody for the rest of their lives. They have found their soulmate. And really, that's what's happening today. The two of you are now officially soulmates. But also, when I look down at wedding bands, I see them made out of metal, which means they're very strong. And that represents the strength of your love for each other. Should the two of you ever sleep apart at night, look down at your wedding band. Your love will reach out to each one of you and take care of you. And remember, there's a circle. There's no beginning. There's no end to the love you'll always have for each other. So, Kevin, please place this on Jesse's finger right there.
Paano ba to, guys? Dito, no? Ang galing ko pa yan. Hindi nagkasya.
Oh, does it fit?
Yeah.
Perfect. It fits beautifully. Now it's your turn to place this on his left hand.
Kita ba? Hindi, ganun. Tinuruan mo.
Good.
Okay, we've got one more thing to do. I'm gonna have the both of you step right over here in front of this pedestal, face me. Perfect. Put your arms around each other's waist and then put your hand under her veil. Okay, come closer, that's fine. This way. And tiny step this way when you center. How you both doing there? Are you having fun? Yeah, here you go. I'm gonna give you this. Here you go. So I'll tell you when to light this, okay? So these candles represent you and your family and friends. Today you're coming together and officially blending your family and friends. Your first act as husband and wife is light that unity candle together. I'm gonna have the both of you step back to the center and face each other, okay? Back to the center to where you were. Okay, are we ready for me to pronounce you? So now, a couple of things. When I pronounce you, biggest kiss ever. You think you can do that? Because the first time you're kissing each other in that. And everybody, I'm going to need your help. Are we ready to get this couple? Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, are we ready? I need your help, everyone. Everybody, I need your help.
Jessica, the lipstick, you don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
So don't worry about it. Don't worry. So everybody, I'm going to need your help. So listen up, okay? So now, by the powers vested in me by the state of Nevada, I now pronounce you, help me everybody, husband and wife, big kiss.
We're in this together now.
Here you go. Let me put this back in. Walk down the aisle. Get him a lipstick. Dance down. Woo! Get down.
I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. Cause we're in this together now, you and me together now. What's the point of living if we're scared to lose each other? What's the point of living without you? Tell me now and I'll stop fighting. Tell me now and I'll stop breathing. I don't want to be here without you. Without you. Without you. Without you. Without you. No, 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 no.
Congratulations, honey! 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 It's for you, honey. And you, honey. Honey.
Pass the paper.
Honey, hindi pass the paper, honey.
Finish or not finish? Pass the paper.
Hihigaan mo yan, couch yan eh.
Couch.
Honey, nakasama ka na sa vlog, honey. Nagtatago ka sa vlog, ha? Naka-vlog talaga yan, honey.
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Honey, oh. You're welcome, honey.
When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Ay, nabasag.
Pagpapala ko, malayo.
Eh, napalakas yung ganun.
Ilang kain. May mga question and answer.
Ay.
Uy, mas malakas.
Uy, ang uy.
Uy, kuwari maya ka.
Yes!
Kuwari patiot.
Kiss pala yun. Kiss daw, kiss. Oh, kiss.
Tapos biglang inom na tubig.
Tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever
Kanina sa chapel, laplapan.
Hindi sa halatang hinalikan hanggang dito.
5 minutes.
5 minutes daw nang, oh.
Teka, so anong iniisip niyo habang kinakasal kayo?
Yak lang ng iyak.
Ako, halo-halo. Kinakabahan, tapos masaya na. Basta kasi ang kinakabahan ako sa vow. Kasi wala akong na-ready, as in on the spot siya. Yun lang yung kinakabahan. Pero the rest, excited ako. Alam mo, after ko masabi no, tapos nagtawanan lahat. Parang ako nabunutan ng tinig. Kasi yung stage lang talaga na yun yung kinakabahan ako. Yung vow, di ba wala akong na-ready?
Whatever comes in your head na lang sa vow.
Kaya natakot yung lalo, totoo yun, the pressure is on kasi may kodigo sa ako.
Anong na-feel mo, Kevin? What did you feel? Actually, nung nakita na pala kayo, no? Sa dressing room.
Hindi, nung papasok siya.
Uy, pero let me just say something. Nung pagpasok mo, Day, nga. Lahat jaw-dropping.
Jaw drop kami lahat.
Mo, Day.
Ang ini-expect
At saka
namin
yung
Filipiniana.
walking mo, yung straight, yung yung talagang bright na bright.
Binagalang ko talaga siya. Kasi ang ganda ng tugtog. Talagang gano'n.
No, pag ganun mo talaga. Ay, bright na bright si Bakala.
Hindi talagang ano kami kanina.
Ay, syempre, di ba yung parang Pilipiniana, ganyan-ganyan.
Eksena mo.
Ay, eto upuan. Ay, ang itim ko dyan.
Uy, winner talaga, yung pagpasok mo.
Dali lang ha.
Super.
Uy, ganun, hindi mo talaga makikita yung mukha ko, pixelate eh. Pero meron ako ibang video niyan.
Ngayon na kasal na kayo, anong nilulong forward niyo sa isa't isa? Ikaw muna, Jen. Ngayon na kasal na kayo, what are you guys looking forward in the future? I know you guys have done so many things already together, but this time as a married couple.
Mas maraming parang yung mga plans namin together. Kumbaga mas parang pag-iigihan namin siyang makuha. Siyempre together na talagang ibang level na kasi talagang nakasal
So
na
that's your
kami.
wish as together, but you as an individual person now married, ano yung gusto mong mangyari sa kasal, sa marriage niyo?
Magtagal ng bonggang-bongga and at the same time is mapanindigan namin yung pagiging nanay at tatay. Sa bata. Sumisipa na siya, guys. Sumisipa na.
Magpapayaman muna.
More JK.
Diba? Tsaka tuloy lang yung yung journey namin.
True.
Are you guys looking forward to your future? And if you are, like, what is it that you guys are looking forward to?
Beyond JK. Beyond JK.
Siyempre, abang
Yeah. Cheers! Ay.
I'm happy for you guys.
Cheers, guys!
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I
see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. It's what you do to me. I can breathe.
Then
It's a girl, honey.
wait lang. Tusok mo na. Yan eh. Ako ang sasalo sa lahat.
Honey. Finally, honey.
Yan.
It's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. Ooh, all I do is close my eyes. Ooh, it's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, I'm spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do to me, making